Welcome to the Super Duper Digital Library. Click on MagneTalk in the digital library for more speech and language fun. Click a tile in the bottom scroll to start. Pairs are displayed together. Drag or click the arrows on the right and left to move through the scroll bar. Click the arrow in the center to hide or display the scroll bar. Move the tiles on the board by clicking and dragging. Flip tiles by double-clicking or hovering over the tile and clicking the Rotate button in the top right. Close out by clicking the X in the top left of the tile. To resize the images on the screen, click and drag the circle on the scroll bar to the right. Drag up to zoom in. To move the board, click and drag. Bring the circle down to zoom out. In the bottom right corner of the screen, click Fill Board to populate all the spaces on the board with the tile. Some MagneTalk products will allow you to fill the board with a certain type of tile. Select tile A and B to fill the whole board with paired tiles. Select tile A only to fill the board with the first tile in the pair, such as a question. Select tile B only to fill the board with the second tile in the pair, such as an answer. Click Add Pair to add the matching tile in the pair to the space in the middle of the board. You can then drag answers to matching tiles. Click Clear Board to clear the board. In the top left corner of the screen, you will find the Options menu. Turn on Snap to Board to have tiles easily fall into blank spaces. In some MagneTalk products, select the Check Answer option to display correct versus incorrect answers. Turn off Display Board to take away the board image and have a blank canvas. Thank you for being a Super Duper customer. We hope this helps you reach your therapy goals.